How to fix WAN 9101 attestation failure error in Valorant. For this first step, need to restart the device, close Valorant and Riot client completely, restart it. After move on with next step, search for run and type the following text msinfo32 and click OK. The system information page will appear. In this you need to click the BIOS mode. It should be in UEFI and the secure boot state. It should be in on state. Make sure the BIOS mode and the secure boot state. After close it and come to next step, search for run and type the following text tpm.msc. Click OK. Verify the status of TPM. The TPM is ready for use and the specification version should be 2.0. Verify it. Once verifying complete, after refresh on time. After close it and come to next step, open up Riot client. Click profile icon. Click settings. This page will open. In this you need to click the Valorant settings. Click it, scroll down, click repair and click start repair. And wait for some time because it's actually verifying the game files and folders. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will rectify it. Once complete, after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click the C drive, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. It's entirely scanning your C drive. No error were found. After close it and restart your device. Thank you.